doing today? My name's Eric. I really appreciate you stopping by to check out my video today. On this episode of Smoking, I'm going to show you how to make macaroni and cheese. But I'm going to kick it up a notch because I'm going to cook it on my smoker. So this is going to be smoked mac and cheese. And to really make it nice, I'm going to put some bacon and some breadcrumbs on top to give it kind of that nice crispy topping. You can see here real basic ingredients. Of course, you need the macaroni. We're going to need the breadcrumbs. We're going to need some cheese. I'm picking sharp cheddar and Colby Jack. We're going to need some stone ground mustard, some heavy whipping cream, a couple garlic cloves, some butter, and around 12 ounces of extra crispy bacon. And that's it. Super easy, super delicious. This is a great recipe if you're already going to be outside barbecuing or smoking something and you're looking to add a side dish. You could just put this together even the night before and then just stick it in the smoker an hour or so before you're ready to eat, and everyone's going to be completely impressed. So let me show you how to do this step by step. Stick around. Let's get cooking. So the first thing you want to do, get a nice pot here. I put around a tablespoon and a half of butter, and we're just going to saute around 3 cloves of garlic that I've already chopped up fine. This is going to add that nice garlicky flavor that we all like, well, at least I like. If you don't like garlic, by all means, don't put garlic. It's not a necessity. So I'll let that just simmer for around a minute, get some of those flavors released. Alright, it's been around a minute or so, and the whole kitchen is starting to smell like garlic. Now we're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. And do this over medium heat if I haven't said so already. So we got the butter, the garlic, the heavy cream, and now we're going to put a half a cup of that grainy mustard or stone ground mustard. This adds good texture and good color and good flavor. You can also use Dijon mustard if you don't care for this stone ground. I just like the looks of those little grains in there. So now what we're going to do, we're going to stir all this together. We're going to bring it up to a little simmer over medium heat, and we're going to let it simmer and reduce down. We're going to let it simmer for around 5 minutes, and this is going to be the base for our macaroni and cheese. So let me continue to simmer this and get it the proper consistency, get it a little bit thicker, and we'll be back in a few minutes when it's reached that point. You can see how it looks like. Alright, so it's been around 5 minutes. You can see it's thickened up a little bit, reduced a little bit. We're going to turn it down now to like a medium low, and now we're going to add our cheese. Now what I'm picking right now, I'm putting in a total of 4 cups of cheese. I got 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, which is my favorite for mac and cheese. You can experiment, you know. I know some people like 5 cheese mac and cheese. I mean, there's all kinds of different cheeses. And then I have Colby Jack, which is Colby and Monterey Jack cheeses kind of combined, just to kind of mellow it out a little bit. I have an extra pack too in the fridge. I might add a little extra to the top once I get it in the pan. So now what we're just going to do is stir this cheese in until it melts a little bit, and it's definitely going to thicken up, as you can see here. Ooh, it's looking good. There we go. Nice thick cream sauce. So we'll just give this a minute, and then we're going to add our other ingredients. Be back in a second. Alright, you can see all the cheese has melted. It's much thicker now. This is perfect. This is how we want it. So now we're going to add, the bacon. Now I had 12 ounces of bacon. I took around a third of it and put it aside, okay? So the rest of the bacon, you want to crumple it up like this, Now you can cut the bacon into little pieces and saute it this way. I just happen to saute the whole pieces, and then I crumbled it after it was cooked. But you can also do it ahead of time, whatever's easier. Okay, so we incorporate that delicious bacon in there. Like I said, make sure it's crispy. And now I got one 16-ounce package of macaroni that we're going to add here. Now, about the macaroni, cook it al dente, meaning we don't want this completely cooked, because we're going to have this sitting in our smoker for around an hour. And it's going to start bubbling as it's cooking in the smoker. And so obviously we want these noodles boiled, but we want them boiled to the point that they're still very tough, because they are going to continue cooking a little bit. So don't cook it all the way as if you're ready to eat it right away. Cook it till it's al dente, it's a little bit firm still. You see here? So I'm just going to heat this over now, very low heat, just for a couple minutes, and continue stirring until we get everything kind of incorporated together. Be back in a second. Alright, so I poured it into a nice pan that'll fit nice in the smoker. You don't have to do it in a pan. You can do it in a casserole dish. I've seen some people even do it in a cast iron frying pan. Whatever works for you. Now that extra bacon we took out, I mixed it with a half a cup of those panko breadcrumbs. And what we're going to do on this now is just sprinkle this on top. So this is going to be our crispy coating. And that's it. Now I am smoking some pork belly burnt ends, and they're going to take around 5 hours. So I'm just going to put a cover foil on top of this and stick it in the fridge. It'll probably be better anyway because it'll cool down, and that way it won't overcook the noodles when I stick it in the smoker uncovered. And you're going to have this cook in the smoker at around 250 degrees, 225, 250 for around an hour. Just keep an eye on it. That's it, guys. Look how easy that is. It's going to be so delicious too. So like I said, I'm going to put a cover on this. I'll put it in the fridge, and I'll meet back with you in a little bit when I'm ready to put it on the smoker. We'll see you then. Alright guys, we're just about ready to put that mac and cheese on for some smoke. But in the meantime, time for a beer review. Never tried this? Founders Brewery Company out of Michigan. I used to live in Michigan for a while when I went to college. All Day IPA Session Ale. Very nice. So I'm looking forward to that. And of course my sidekick Kyle. Say hi, Kyle.
Sidekick. Hi.
He's going to do a review on Jones Cane Sugar Soda Company. This is root beer. And it's got a cool picture. And then I read on the side here, I guess you can send in pictures of yourself, and if they like it, they'll put it on. So this is a picture from someone that lives in the next town over, Huntington Beach, California. That's kind of cool. A little kid in a Woody car with a surfboard. Okay, but anyway. Maybe we should send in a picture.
It says
of
if you send it into the a picture they like to the website, then if the best one will be put on their bottles.
Yeah. Well, when I was at the store, I noticed a couple different labels. I just grabbed this one because I thought it was kind of neat with
Well, that's probably because people sent in lots of them and they liked a lot of them.
What's it say inside the bottle cap? There's a little message inside the bottle cap. See what it says. Read it out to people.
Your efforts will be well rewarded, blah, 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 be patient.
Your efforts will be well rewarded, be patient. That's good advice.
What is this, some kind of horoscope inside?
Well,
I don't know.
They used to have horoscope and bubblegum and stuff. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. We're going to have some delicious mac and cheese. That's one of Kyle's favorite.
And my sister's.
Yep.
She, loves it. It's like the only food she'll eat.
Yeah, she doesn't eat too well, so hopefully I made another batch for her without so much bacon and stuff, but an extra creamy, so hopefully she'll be enjoying it as well. Thanks again, guys. Okay, so take a smell, see what it smells like.
A lot better smell.
Smells almost like a lime and a little bit of pine. I smell lime and pine. Okay, you take a sip. What do you think?
Smells really good. Oh my gosh,
Ooh,
it's so good.
A lot of grapefruit in this. And a little piney. Finish this off with a little hoppy finish. It's very smooth. Oh, I actually like this. All right, all day IPA session ale, and you have the Jones pure cane sugar. You'll probably be bouncing off the wall. How's it taste?
Really good.
Really good? Mm-hmm. How's it compared now? You so far reviewed 2 root beers. Mm-hmm. What was the first one?
The other one, I can't remember the name of some classic.
Virgil's. Was the first root beer was Virgil's?
Oh, I thought you meant the first one today.
Oh, no.
We've done 2 back-to-back currently, and our...
Oh, it was Stubborn.
Stubborn.
Stubborn root beer. Okay, now how about this one? How's this one?
This is a lot better.
This is a lot better?
I'd choose this one.
Okay.
This one.
We did a review for the other thing I'm cooking today, which is the pork belly burnt ends. I'll leave a link below. You guys can check it out. But this one's better. Okay, well there you go. The Jones.
I've had 2 back-to-back, and now
Soda Company.
And now Mom's saying like just to pace myself. I'm like, look, it's either I drink it or it's gonna go flat. So basically, I'm like, okay, look, I'll drink it all and I'll do 510 jumping jacks.
We'll probably be really not liking the idea of him having 2 root beers within a 3-hour period, because especially one with pure cane sugar. He's going to be bouncing off the wall shortly, and he'll probably have a hard time going to sleep. So enjoy it while you can. Here, cheers. Here's to some smoked macaroni and cheese, all right? Thanks again, guys. Say goodbye.
Bye.
We're going to enjoy this, and we'll put that on the smoker in a little bit. Till then, I'm going to have this beer, and he's going to have that root beer.
Next after this, I'll have a Fanta, I guess.
Yeah, okay, sure. See you in a little bit, guys. All right, guys, here it is. Look how beautiful. It's been sitting in the fridge for a little bit. I have the pork belly burnt ends going. They're almost about ready to be put into a dish. So we have the big pan, and then I got these little ones for little sister, because she needs it extra creamy. Hopefully she'll not have a problem with those. So you just put them in your smoker uncovered, and you know what, I'm coming out of the refrigerator, so I'm guessing it's gonna take an hour. Just keep an eye on it. We want to get it nice and bubbly. Those noodles were cooked al dente, so if it bubbles a little bit, the noodles get soft, it's going to soak up some of that cheese. It's going to be really good. You excited, Kyle? Mm-hmm. All right, there you go. We'll be back probably in an hour when it's ready to be taken off.
I cannot wait for this mac and cheese.
I'm going to put a little bit more wood chips in there, get a little bit of smoke. So we'll see you in a little bit.
I love mac and cheese.
I know you love mac and cheese. See you in a little bit, guys. All right, here we go, guys. It looks beautiful, nice and crispy on the top. My son Kyle is hungry, aren't you? Yeah, he wants to try it. So let's scoop some out. Whoops.
Things are getting clumsy today.
Oh. Let's see if I can get you some of that stuff. I don't know. He's not a big breadcrumb kind of fan, but all right.
I love pasta though.
Let's sprinkle it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Add a little bit of flavor. Okay, grab your spoon. I'm just going to take a spoonful out of here on camera. Man, it looks great. Get a little bit of that crust. Breadcrumb crust. All right. Whoops.
Mmm. Mm-mm.
Mmm. Wow. You can definitely taste the smoke flavor. What do you think, Kyle?
Really good.
Yeah? How do you like that crust on the top of it?
It's good as well, but...
Wow. That is very good. Mmm. I can't wait till the rest of the family tries it. We'll see if my daughter can like it as well. Well, here we are with Ava Grace. What's one of your favorite foods, Ava Grace?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. And this is the first time she's going to try Daddy's smoked mac and cheese. I hope you like it, Ava Grace. I didn't put any bacon or breadcrumbs on this. She likes it extra creamy.
Yeah, I will love this extra creamy.
Okay, so tell me how you like it. Look at the camera, tell me.
It's good.
It's good?
Thumbs up.
All right. All right, so we're back here. Kyle's just about devoured his first bowl. So now, now that you've had a full bowl, tell your whole experience. What do you think?
It puts Cracker Barrel to shame.
Cracker Barrel. Oh, that's your favorite package macaroni and cheese, right?
I forgot, but
Yeah, I think that's his favorite packaged macaroni and cheese Cracker Barrel. Well, I'm glad you like it.
Saying it was good, and I just think it puts it to shame.
Can you taste the smoke flavor?
It just is so good.
It is very good, guys.
This beats any type of packaged one.
All right, Kyle. Thank you. That's a big compliment coming from Kyle. He's a macaroni expert.
I love noodles and
Pasta.
anything pasta related. You will get a good.
Well, guys, as always, I really appreciate you watching my video. Try this. This is real basic and easy.
Yeah.
It's great to add as a side dish. Like I said, if you're barbecuing or smoking already, you can make it ahead of time. Just stick it in the smoker. And, man, it's just a great side dish. Everyone's going to be really impressed. Once again, thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you like my channel, hit subscribe. And also click the link up in the top, my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. And I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Say goodbye, Kyle. Bye.